2022 was a year made up of adventure. If it had a theme, it would be love. It honestly felt like the first year of my life. A new beginning with someone special, and new friends along the way.
Ain't no surprise that I can't sleep tonight. My only vice is standing by your side. So won't you love me better? I'm waiting here, I need you now. Gravity can't hold us down, so just take me there to higher ground. Save me, I'm holding on to you. Sun is fading, I'm falling into blue. Why don't you save me? My blood is running cold, so lift me up and give me higher ground.
It's important that we keep the people that we love close, to have fond memories, and most importantly, to help one another. You trying to peek in there?
No. I'm like a little kid, I swear.
Waffle House?
Waffle House.
Oh, I get some waffles.
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 Golf cart. This is Mary Margaret's golf cart. That's,
Mary Margaret?
That's a true story. My grandma bought it for her. But she likes golf carts. Did you have a fun party?
Mm-hmm.
Did you like all your gifts?
Yeah.
You ready to scream?
Look at the walls. Like, look at it.
What am I looking at? This is perfect. There's nothing wrong with this. I don't see any problems. This place right here, I would come out here and water the flowers and smoke cigarettes in the parking lot, take naps in the bathroom.